Here I have a normal flint lighter. There is a small dial here for making the flame bigger or smaller. Even on the biggest setting, the flame is quite small. To hack this lighter, firstly take off this shiny metal part. You might need something small to pry it off. Try not to damage it though, as we'll be putting it back on later. Here's the dial up close. Push it to the right for the flame to go bigger and left to go smaller. Turn the dial to the right. You can see the flame isn't too big. Lift the dial off the cog. Turn it to the left, then push it back down onto the cog. Then turn it to the right again, making the flame even bigger. You can then just put the metal cap back on.